Welcome to playtime.
Welcome to Matthew Playtime. All right, so we got some new cars for Matthew. We have Lightning McQueen from Cars 2 with the World Prix. It has a piston cup on his hood, and then the World Prix on the back. And then we also got from the Piston Cup Racer Series, Dino. Wow. Dino Racer. He's got a band-aid on the front and it says Clutch Aid. Doo-doo-doo. And you see the piston cup. And that's what he looks like from behind. And his number is 121 with his piston cup.
This.
And the World Prix on the back. You see it? Whoa, Matthew has opened his new cars. Which one do you like the most?
This.
That's a tough choice. Do you like Lightning McQueen or Dino?
This.
Yes, because he's Lightning McQueen, right? I like the other one because he has blue. All right, we have our new Incredibles in 2 mystery figure inside box. Da 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 da. Yeah. Okay, you ready to open it?
Yeah.
Who do you think's gonna be in there? It's gonna be Mr. Incredible.
This.
You need some help?
No, Mattel's got this. Hulk.
Hulk smash. I don't think that's how you're supposed to open it. Yeah. Well, see, you just have to push it through. Down there.
Down there.
Okay. Who's inside? Who is it? Wow! Let's open it up and look at it. Ta-da!
Where's that?
All right, so we got Dash. He's so fast, he runs quickly. Pixar's Incredible Mashup!
Playtime.
All right, so you're ready to open your Pixar mashup? Wonder who do we have? Could it be Woody? Is it Dory? Oh my goodness, you got Woody!
Yeah.
Wow! He's one of your favorites. You're so lucky. Let them see who it is. Sure. Ta-da! Mushroom. Woody. He's got his hat. Oh, now he's stretching his face. Alright, so for snack time today we have Oreo spins, coconut. We got these from Mommy, but we're going to sneak a couple. Alright, you want to try one? Or just for Daddy?
No.
Just for Daddy?
No.
And apparently Mommy?
No, Mattel.
Okay.
But yet. Oh no.
They're
But
pretty
yet.
delicious. They're thinner though. Yeah, so you should just try one.
No hoping.
You gonna open it? Ta-da! This is my first Oreo thin. Can you taste the coconut just a little bit?
I'm biting. I'm biting.
Thank you so much, Oreo, for making a coconut.
Welcome back to playtime.
All right, so let's open it and see what you got.
What?
Oh, it's a minion.
Get this
Which one did you get?
a pig.
Oh, it's not a pig. Let's see who did you
Daddy,
get. Oh, it is a pig. Ta-da!
Daddy, let's get a king.
You want a king? This time you got one of the 3 little pigs. Thank you for watching Matthew's Playtime. Please subscribe and like.